Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to prove that the following equation is true. A cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared in parentheses. The way I'm going to approach this is I'm going to prove that the right side of the equation equals to the left one. As a first step, I'm going to rewrite the right side of the equation. A plus b in parentheses multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. And then I'm going to open parentheses. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to multiply the first term a with a squared, then with negative ab, and then with b squared. And then the second term b with a squared, with negative ab, and then with b squared. A times a squared equals a cubed. A times negative ab is negative a squared b. A times b squared is plus ab squared. B multiplied by a squared is ba squared, which also can be written as a squared b. That's how I'm going to write it here. So plus a squared b. Then b times negative ab is negative ab squared, and b times b squared is b cubed. Let's take a look at this expression. We're noticing that negative a squared b and negative a squared b are the same terms with opposite signs. Therefore, their sum, when we add them, they're going to give 0, or these two terms cancel out. ab squared and negative ab squared also are with opposite signs, and they're the same terms, and their sum gives 0. Therefore, they also cancel out. So our expression equals to a cubed plus b cubed. In other words, we did prove that a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared equals to a cubed plus b cubed. Or this equation is also true in reverse, as a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. This formula is called sum of two cubes and is also widely used in algebra. Thank you for watching and learning.